Man, we got a buzz cut, brother. Got a real one this time, real short one. Um, like a, it's not bad. I don't think it's that bad of a haircut, but let me know what you guys think of the chop. Let me share my screen here. All right, let's get started. Let's get this party started. Let me look at got this ring light. Let me just. I might as well put it to freaking use, yo. Put this shit to freaking use. All right. Solid. What the fuck is this shit doing here? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing, bros? I'm gonna wait until we can get at least a couple people in here before I do any actual recap. So we'll wait. We shall wait. Come on, gang, bro. The shit. Sure. Copy link. All right. Oh, brother. Hopefully we can get like one person in here, bro. All right. Let's I guess we can start the recap. I know I don't really have anyone in this live right now, but we I guess bro, I look tiny. Fuck, I don't know if I should start it, bro. Okay, no negative. You know what, I'm just gonna start it. I know there's no one in here, but we'll go to market open. All right, so coming into the day, hold on, I gotta make sure it's actually okay. That's weird because that's definitely not where we were at market open. All right, this is good. All right, so coming into today, I know there's none in here, but you know, you guys can rewatch this. Dude, I don't know if I should do this right now because genuinely nobody in here. So should I wait or should I not? Don't know what to do. Oh, I look tiny. All right, let's just do it as we go, and if people have questions along the way, we will answer your questions. So I also want you guys to send me the trades that you took today, if you took any, or just ask me any questions in the comments, and I will happily answer your questions. So let's just do a quick recap of the day, pretty much. So coming into the day, if we go, I'm actually off of replay mode because this shit's kind of ass. I don't really like replay mode. Okay, so coming into the day, market open was around this area. So we were obviously bullish, right? This is what I see coming to the day. I see a beautiful, beautiful uptrend. I did really just want a long today. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to long today. Really wasn't too open to shorting. So my DOLs for the day were pretty simple. We had it's weird because for some reason it looks different than it did before. Maybe it was no. Okay, so I guess so. We had this untapped 4 hour gap. That was one of my DOLs, and then my other draw on liquidity was actually this high, but I didn't. I just realized that this wasn't too significant, so I wasn't really going to target that. So this is pretty much my only DOL for the day, and then as you can see at open, we ended up where was open. So we dumped down, we took out these data lows, which were if we didn't like take them out off open, I would have been open to taking some into this, but there was no entry here. Obviously, we're in range, and then we ended up ripping higher. Not that crazy, but took out these little highs, then dumped back down into the range, subbed these, and then went back up. Oh man, this is just I hate watching this shit. But and then we kind of had a nice flip here, started to buy back up, and now I'm like, okay, we're actually getting close, right? We're getting decently close to my DOL, right? So we're close to my DOL. We're moving decently. We had a good flip here. We're moving, right? We're moving higher. So what am I looking for? A retrace. What do we get? A retracement, shebang, right into this gap. Retracement, and then again, I would have taken this trade if we had immediately bought back up, like something like this. If we just flipped right here, let me. Right, we get this retrace. If we had literally like a dip to the upside, I would have went long right here, mink, and then something like this, break even at this wick here. That would have been the trade for the day. That's what I was looking for. But as you can see, we never actually got a flip. We pretty much just like, I mean, if you consider this a flip, then you got to do some studying. But this is, 2 small candles. This retrace looks like genuinely stronger than the flip, which it should be the opposite. Like if the flip should be stronger than the retrace. And like if you see this, you want to see that shit get mogged by a flip. So like if the flip is less strong than the retrace, what does that tell you, right? Like obviously no clean flip here, so we just ended up selling off, chop, 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 like nothing. So that's pretty much the day. I mean, there literally was like nothing to take here. I was like open to taking a long again. If we had a flip here, I was open to taking that. Maybe if we got an inverse of this gap or something up here. But like I said, this we never actually got a flip. We just chopped. So yeah, I like this retrace though. I need a stronger flip than the retrace. So that's pretty much all that I saw today. Like longs were the only thing I had in mind. I think ES was actually pretty freaking bearish today, like for some reason, right? And let me just go to the hourly time frame. Yeah, so like we had like lows down here, we had some lows here. So ES actually was bearish on the day. We just didn't get. I couldn't see any clean entries in my opinion. Like as you can see, we sell. Like if we got a real retrace, I maybe would have been open to it. Like, but as you can see, we never actually get a retrace here. We just get like one little bullish candle, just nothing, and then hit the lows. And then again, I wanted to see a retracement, but what do we do? No entries. So that pretty much sums up the day. So send questions if you have. If you want to send me the trades that you took, or just tell me what trade you took. If you took any, I will review it. So that's it for me. I mean, if there are no questions, there's no need for me to be here. So yeah, I mean, like there's no one in this live anyway. So there's one person. But yeah, if you guys got questions, send it. That's genuinely it, bro. Today was boring. Really not much to go over today. So that's fucking pretty quick. Ask questions. Brother. Should I do some live backtesting? Yo, boys, should I do some live backtesting since I just went over the day and that was fast as hell? Ask questions, y'all. Ask questions. Oh boy, look at this PA today. Jeez. What do I trade on? I trade on a Platform X. So I trade using Alpha Futures, the prop firm, and they have their own broker that they use. So I just use that. It's pretty clean. I fuck with it a lot. Yo, guys, should I do live backtesting right now? Low key. I used to do those. I don't really backtest anymore, but I could do it if you guys want me to. I fault. Can you repeat yourself? So basically, I trade on this prop firm called Alpha Futures, and they have their own platform, like that you can trade on. So I just use that, like pretty simple. I don't know how else to explain it. Like they have their own platform. The place that I trade on with the prop firm, I don't know if you know what that is, but the prop firm that I trade on has their own platform that I trade on. So what's the entry fee? What do you mean? Entry free? I don't know what you mean. You guys fuck with the buzz or no? Yo, follow my damn TikTok, bro. I literally kid you not, bro. I 185 followers for 2 years posting. Entry fee. I think I know what you mean. It's like nothing, bro. It's like $2. Like it's literally nothing. I mean, if we're talking about the same thing, it's not a lot. Like I think it's like $3 usually. Like nothing. Yo, if anyone wants to work with me one-on-one, just DM me. Should I put like a thing of like how many students I have and how many I'm willing to take? I don't know if I should do that. Because I have like 8, 9 students. I don't know. I don't know how many I'm willing to take. Maybe 15. Tyler Brooks. You're interested? Just DM me. You could like do you follow my TikTok? If you follow my TikTok, then you could DM me on TikTok. I don't really use Instagram, but my TikTok is EJ Trades8. So EJ, I'll put it in the thing just so you can see. Trades8. Loki, I need to plug my TikTok more because my TikTok is not growing. Bro. Literally do anything for TikTok to grow. Shit won't grow. I would play music, but I think I get like copyrighted. You be making bread? Yes, twin. Yes, twin. Probably gonna clear 5 figs this month. Probably. I don't know. It's always inconsistent with trading. That's the thing. My shoulders be looking pretty good. Questions. Yo, Tyler, just follow my TikTok or just DM me on TikTok if you are interested. Okay, you followed it. I see you. I'll see you again. Another follower. Hey, we're moving. 185 followers. When can we talk? we can, like, right after this live, bro, just DM me. Literally right after I end the live, you can just DM me, and then we can talk about it, and then maybe get on a call or something, just to like see if you're interested in it. But let me fix this. But dude, you could also, like, if you want, like, I don't know if you really care, but you could see my like entire journey because I've been posting for like a year, so you could like kind of see my whole journey, and on YouTube you could see like my trade recaps and stuff. So I'm legit, brother. Hold on, I might recap the day one more time because another one of my students is about to join this live. So I'm gonna recap the day one more time. I hope it's not that annoying to do that again. But low key, let me peep this. By the way, if I'm looking at this chart right now, I'm not even gonna lie, like this, like then genuinely kind of looks clean as fuck. This looks clean. I would dead ass be so. If I was a swing trader, I would take a long off 4-hour inverse right here to all time highs, like easy. That's money. That's actual money, bro. Jeez, that's such a free swing trade to take. Is that Nas? Yes, sir. This is Nasdaq. I trade futures. Yo, let me know if you guys want me to do some live backtesting, or you could just ask questions. Send me maybe the trades you took today. I could review them. I'm lucky you're just gonna do some backtesting because I'm bored. You guys could I don't know if you could see that. I'll share it. All right, let's lucky. Whoa, what just happened? What just happened, gang? All right, let's let me go to the next day. Open. Cool. All right. So if there's anyone new in here, let me know because I can recap the day again if you guys need me to. So I'll be peeping the chat, but if not, I'm gonna I'm trying to share my FX replay, so give me a second. I don't know why I'm not able to. Okay, right here. All right, bet. Can y'all see the screen? I think you can. Okay. So I could do some live backtesting. Why not? I'm kind of just bored. So yeah, you guys can see how I'm viewing the markets live on backtesting right now. Hopefully you gain some value out of this. You can see how I trade and whatnot. So, dude, what are these green? These green fucking pillars in my screen, dude. Actually, damn. Oh my god, I just missed the short, didn't I? I missed that short, dude. Okay. Dude. All right. Anyways, but the trade I was kind of looking at, it was something around probably I would have taken if I was live on the markets. I would have. You guys can believe me or not. I don't care. I would have probably taken shorts here. I would have taken shorts here. I could say with confidence, actually. Kind of sucks. I just missed that because I was on the 5-minute. But anyways, now that the DOL is taken on this day, I don't think there's going to be a set. Right? You could maybe catch a reversal. Okay, I guess you. Damn, bro. What? Why are we cooking up trendy price action here? Yeah. Well, now the day is definitely over. Let's go to the next day. Damn. the next day, G. Let me know if you guys want me to go over the day again or want me to keep acting. Either way, I'm chill with it. I'm probably live for another maybe 20 minutes. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Maybe 15 minutes. All right. So what am I doing? Right. I come into the market open. I'm looking at where we're moving. Right. I want to see clean movements here. So we're moving down. Why? Because we probably want to take out those. See if we get some sort of entry towards any lows. Okay, it's not bad. I'm willing to take this. Play maybe a bigger bit of a stop loss, something like this. Place order, save. Whoa, I fucked up, bro. Oh, that sucks. So I accidentally put my take profit too low. This is obviously where I meant to put it. You can see it would have just hit TP, but I had to close it. I made less money, but who really cares? But yeah, that's TP right there. Pretty simple. I mean, if we keep dumping, I'm still going to take a trade. This is just obvious. We obviously want to go lower. Nope, we don't. We don't want to go lower. Okay, that's it. Day over today. We already took the DOL. Day's over. Today is, I don't know. We'll see. Right. I don't marry a bias. Just so you guys know, I don't marry a bias. I kind of just wait to see where we go. Right. And now we're moving. Where are we moving higher? Why are we moving higher? Because we want to take out some DOLs, brother. Actually, it's gonna be difficult because it's gonna be difficult to take the highest because of this 4-hour gap. So low key, we might reverse here. I don't know. Again, I have no idea what the market's doing until it's obvious, until it's actually doing what it's doing. Like I don't predict. I don't predict. It's a big part of trading. I don't predict. Don't predict. All right. Well, yeah. Obviously, we're gonna take highs, no doubt. Oh, Lord. Okay. So, like, we actually might get an entry here. Man, brother, why? What are we doing? What are we doing, bro? Are we dead ass? Fucking in a range. Okay. Nah, we're in a range. I don't fuck with this right now. I mean, if we get really close, then. All right. Yeah, I'll take a long. I'll take a big long. So I know we're kind of in like a range. Like this isn't that clean, but I just really think we're going higher, bro. I don't know if I would take this on live just in case because I probably wouldn't take this on live, but I'm just giving it a stab. We get a little retrace here. We get a nice flip off these lows. I mean, I'll give it a stab. I don't particularly care to take this that much. Where's break even? Maybe just this area here. Yeah, I'll go break even. And now the highs, yeah, okay. So that was confirmed. Actually, low key, like I would have taken a trade here probably. If I was live, the real trade, I maybe. It's just like it's hard to take this, but maybe I would have taken this. Maybe. Or maybe, honestly, if I was live time, maybe I would have taken this IFPG. Maybe. I know I don't pattern trade IPGs, I promise. But the only thing about this is that we get a retrace to this 15-minute, and then we get like a really good flip. That's just what I'm seeing with that. I maybe would have taken this as well. So either way, longs, like if you just click buy at some point after this dip down, if you just click buy at some point there, you would have made money. So again, it's all about discretion at the end of the day. You don't need to stick to one simple, like you don't need to stick to one thing. You know, you don't need to be like, oh, what did you see? Oh my God, the sun. Whoa. Wait, I want to see if I can show this on my screen. I definitely cannot see that. Damn, it looks beautiful. Jeez. Dude, oh my God. How is that even possible? But yeah, like you can't really be profitable by sticking to like strictly one thing that you enter off. I know, okay. Yes, actually, no, I lied. You can stick to the retrace with the flip. That's what I usually do. Like that's generally what I usually do. But you have to use your own discretion in order to stay out of some trades and to actually take some trades, some other trades. It's kind of hard to explain. I don't want to like drop like too much free sauce though, but I will tell you that. It's not crazy. You can long here too. Oh, lucky I didn't actually take it long, but it did look like we were going. Okay, yeah, day's over. Next day. Again, yo guys, please, if you want me to go over the day, like the actual trading day, just comment, like literally just put it in the comments and I'll do it. I just need you guys to tell me if you want me to. Oh, what is this BA? But no, I'm not trading that. Okay, let's see if we're bullish today because I don't think we're bearish. Maybe we are. Like, what? I just don't see anything today again. It's already 10:30. We should be moving. Okay, wow. That's kind of weird. Okay. You actually, this kind of, oh my God, you could have definitely taken a long here. Maybe. Wow. I can't believe that just happened. You could have probably taken a long here. And like, that's like a decent trade in it. It'll probably play out. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, I was not expecting that, bro. Yeah, this would be, if you took this, it's a pattern trade. Don't take, like, you would not want to take this. We're what? I mean, we're kind of close, but not really. Just dead volume. See, you would lose on that because that's a pattern. IFEG to draw, that's a pattern, bro. That's literally a pattern. Don't trade a pattern. All right, yeah, we're not going anywhere today. Next day. Damn. Okay. Well, we have some DOLs down here, I guess. Let's just see how we open. Yep. All right, retrace. Do we get a retrace? Not really. I mean, like, if you consider this, maybe a retrace. Just no gaps, nothing. Very minimal flip. Cooked risk to reward. We could definitely avoid that, even though it played out. Now we just wait. Now, if we see, let's see if we continue to dump here, or do we reverse? What do we do? Actually, that's not bad. That's actually not bad at all. Deeper retracement. I don't care that we inverse the 5 minute, but deeper retrace with the flip. Then we have another DOL down here. You could just take a 1-to-1 here. Yeah, not a bad trick. Not a bad trick. And you could just go break even right at this level. Yeah, TP. Okay, pretty simple trade right there. You trade all day or just sessions? No, I don't trade all day. I do not trade all day, and I don't recommend trading all day. I trade for maximum an hour a day, like max. Like usually I'm off the charts by like around 10 a.m. Sometimes I'll wait up to like 10:30, maybe later, but like most of the time I'm off by 10, maybe 10:10. But yeah, don't trade all day. Right now I'm just backtesting because I'm on live. Might as well just to get more people engaged and whatnot. Okay. But yo, I don't like backtesting. So if you guys want me to recap the day instead of backtesting, I will gladly do that because I don't want to backtest. All right, retracement. You bro. Oh, that's fucking gross. All right, next day. No. Why, bro? If I see this coming into the day, I'm like, okay, gotta break out of the range. I'm not interested in this day. Okay, actually, I mean, I guess. Oh, I don't know. This has to be data. Yeah, we actually may get this long. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. If we like inverse a gap down here, I would take a short. But okay, long is printed today. I want to keep this marked out though because this is a data low, 100% data low. So let's go to the next day. Yeah, we took out the data low. Fucking knew it. Fucking knew it. All right. Yo, Jaden, I know you're in here. I'm gonna go over there for you real quick, okay? Because I know that you're in here. I want to do that for you because I know that matters more than fucking back testing. Fucking hate back testing. All right. So basically today, going into the day, we're obviously bullish, right? The entire night we're printing higher, uptrend, right? Mink, huge up. Like we're obviously bullish on the day. So in turn, what do I want to do? I want to long. So what am I marking out? I'm marking out some DOLs. We have an unfilled 4-hour gap, as you can see right here. So I'm like, okay, maybe we want to trade to that 4-hour gap, all right? And then what happens at open? As you can see, The market opens right here. We dump down, take out this 830 low, down low, and then we flip higher. But we didn't really do much. We flipped higher, barely took a side, then dumped, and then we flipped back to higher. You could have maybe caught like maybe along like right here. I mean, like we're in a range. You don't really want to trade that. But what I was looking at was that, okay, we're actually, kind of getting higher here. We're getting within, what was this? We were within 30 points to my DOL. So when we're 30 points away from my DOL, I'm like, okay, yeah, like oh, wait. I just realized I wasn't sharing my screen, bro. I was not showing the right thing. Damn. All right. Well, anyways, I'll do that real quick again. So I'm sorry about that, bro. I'm such a retard. Going into the day, we're bullish, right? We can see we're just obviously in an uptrend. So in turn, I want to long. We have an unfilled 4-hour gap right here. So I'm like, okay, maybe that's the DOL. We'll see. Let's see if that's the draw. What happens? Off open, we dump, we rip, we dump, and then we flip again. We start trading higher here, and then once at this point off the top of this wick, we're actually close to my DOL. I'm like, okay, bet. I want to see a retracement, and I want to see a strong flip out. So we get a retracement into this 1-minute gap. So for one, I like this retracement, right? A nice black candle down, good retrace. But what do I need to see now? I need to see a flip out of that retrace that's stronger than the retrace, because as you can see, right, we did somewhat get I wouldn't consider this a flip, right? I'd want to see a stronger flip closing up here. The flip needs to be stronger than the retrace, because what is it telling you? Like what does that tell you if the retrace is stronger than the flip we had out? So I'd want to wait for a candle to close up here, and then I would have taken a long. But again, we never got that, so we ended up dumping down. Right, we dumped down. Chop, 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 did chop, did chop, chop, did chop. So, yeah, I mean, like, awful price action today, in my opinion. Like, again, we had a potential long setup, but we just never got the right confirmation. So, it's a loss to avoid right here. Like, if you took this long, I mean, that's kind of cooked. Like that's cooked. I mean, I would never take this long, because, right, if we're really bullish, we wouldn't do all this bullshit before. Right. And then again, we'd also close like here if you're bullish, not here. So that's the day. That's genuinely the day. If you didn't trade today, good, because you didn't miss anything. Today was ass. So yeah, if you have any questions, drop them below. Let me know if you like the buzz. I just got a fresh one. Ugh. I'm just trying to be myself. Like everybody had before. But now I shall go back to the game. So yeah, I'll do like maybe 10 minutes more of back testing. I don't think I've lost yet, so that's tough. But yeah, let's see what happens. Oh my goodness. I hate when the market does that. So, okay, we're ripping. Let's see if we want to head to these highs. All right, well, we filled this 5-minute. Maybe we get a flip here. All right. Yeah, I'll take a long. It's kind of risky, because like this is the top of the range most basically, except for like I guess this high. So that's that's technically the break even, like if I'm following my rules and whatnot. But that's like a way too close to a break even. So I'll go break even at this like 5-minute high right here. Oh my god, ripping, bro. We're hitting take profit. I put my house on that. Yep. Take profit smashed. Oh, bro. When you backtest, you realize how easy trading is. It's so easy. The actual like market stuff is easy. Psychology can get hard sometimes. Not really though. Like, wait. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, that could have been a short actually, but I'm dropping. Next day, I'm not trading that. Okay, we're bullish, but we'll see where we go. Like, where are we going to target if we want to long? Nowhere. We have no targets. So what do we do? Don't trade. Again, I don't really have any targets nearby unless we take these highs or we dump. But yeah, like this is a no trade day. Next day. See how fast I'm able to recognize that we're not going to trade this day. It's just very easy. Today could be a trade day because we have a high right here, right, and we have lows down here. We're like we have some liquidity. All right. Well, I guess we're not going to trade today. I mean, okay, but we actually have lows down here, right? If we dump and continue to flush, then I'm like, yeah, we're probably going to take these lows. Ow, we're back. Bro, retrace, bro. All right, well, now, if we continue to dump, I could imagine these lows are going to get taken, but we're not. No trades. All right, you want to, like, I low-key just went through a week of price action without trading. That's what I did. That's what I've been doing this week, pretty much. Right, but you can see I also haven't lost, right? You just have to be patient for the trades. Be patient for those 1 A+ setups you get, and then you fucking go for them. All right, bro. I know. This is not a continuation setup, but this is. I don't know if you guys know who Dodgy is, like the IFEG guy, but this is like pretty much called the one setup for life. It's kind of funny. This is called like the one setup for life. It's not like my setup that I like to take, but it's pretty decent. It's pretty obvious because we have a data high right here. This is break even up here. Yeah, I mean, this is a bullshit trade. Definitely not a normal trade I take. Yeah, that's so funny though, because obviously I wouldn't take this live time because I don't trade IPGs like that. I'm not like a pattern trader. But like you could have maybe taken along if we got up here, but not until we actually get there because we're not up there yet. But data highs do look like they're gonna get smacked today. Yeah, fucking knew it. Fucking knew it, bro. Fucking knew it, bro. All right, I kind of want to stop practicing. So if you guys have questions, just drop them below. But I think I'm gonna chill with the practicing. I think I just didn't lose really. Like I lost one time, but that wasn't like a real loss. When did I start though? Because I know I was doing this session like before. What are these right here? Wait, what? These are like before. I did. I think I started like here. Yeah, I did. Win, loss, and then the loss wasn't real. That's above an 80% rate, boys. Above an 80% win rate. All right. Let me know if you guys get questions, but I think I'm gonna hop off because I don't see any questions. So yeah, I appreciate everyone who joined the live. If you want to actually work with me one-on-one, just DM me. But that's all I got for you guys today. So deuces. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully we can fucking trade tomorrow because I didn't trade today. So see y'all tomorrow. Let me see. All right. Peace out, boys. See y'all later.